Hi.
Papa.
You gonna eat those oranges? Are you gonna eat those? Yummy.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm videoing you. I'm recording you. You were talking before. Yap, 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 yap. Yep. Oh. It's not seafood, honey. It's an orange. Oh, you're all done?
Bye.
Bye. You sure you're all done?
Yeah.
Yep. She's sure. Do you want a cracker? Cracker. That's a cookie. How do you sign cracker? Go cracker. Cracker.
Cracker.
Okay, I'll get you a cracker. Cracker.
Cracker.
That's how you sign cracker. Good. That's it. Cracker.
Cracker.
Cookie.
Cracker.
Raisin.
Sissy.
Grapes.
Bye. Sissy.
Crackers. How do you sign peach? Close.
This.
Okay. Let me go get you a cracker.